Hi, should you eat raw salads for health? Absolutely, and we'll talk about that in this video. In the meantime, stick around until the end because I have a gift for you that'll help you with your health. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for notifications because I post a video every single week. Now let's get into it. I want to take a moment to talk about raw salads and how important these raw salads are to you. When you're eating vegetables in its rawest state, meaning not cooked and nothing added to it, that's when you get the best benefits from the nutritional value of the vegetables. This is a part of the healing process, but it's also a part of the living process. You want to be healthy as you possibly can get. I strongly suggest that you do like I do. I eat one medium to large raw salad every single day. These raw salads can consist of these different foods that are from the list that I gave you, which is also at the end of this section. Raw salads can have these ingredients or more from the list that you like, but the minimum ingredients that I use are this: romaine lettuce, tomatoes, which are grape tomatoes, plum tomatoes, cucumbers, onions raw that I use yellow and purple, amaranth greens, which you can find in pretty much any grocery store in the green section, olives, but make sure the olives are not in a can. You can also add sliced apples. Now remember, if the apples are really big like this, they've been genetically engineered. You don't want those. You want apples that have pretty much fit in the palm of your hand, which are like Gala apples or Fuji apples. Just slice those up and add them in there. Then for your dressing, you want to use something like olive oil mixed with key lime juice. You never, ever, 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 ever put store-bought salad dressing on your salad. They're full of all types of sugars and all types of chemicals like high fructose corn syrup, white refined sugar, glucose, dextrose, all that crap that does nothing good for your body. If you're going to put the store-bought dressing on there, you might as well not eat the salad at all. So raw salads, I want you to start eating those right away. Get those raw salads in you, and that's going to help with the healing process. It'll also help you go to the bathroom, which we all need to do. So if you found this information to be helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for future notifications of when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can follow me on all social media at God Cured Me. Also, for a free list of foods that you should eat for nutritional value, or if you want to jump straight into learning how to heal yourself or virtually any disease God's way, visit my website at godcuredme.com. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, my name is Raulh. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. Hope to see you soon.